Don't miss out. Free OpenShift workshop by Cyberphoton awaits you. Hi there. My name is Jopis, and I'm excited to talk to you about one of the most powerful tools in the world of cloud computing, OpenShift. OpenShift is a Kubernetes platform that empowers developers to build, deploy, and scale applications with ease. Whether you're working in a small startup or a large enterprise, OpenShift offers unmatched flexibility and scalability. But what really excites me about OpenShift is the future opportunities it presents. As more businesses move towards cloud-native applications, the demand for OpenShift expertise is skyrocketing. This is creating a wealth of opportunities for IT professionals, developers, and organizations alike. Companies are looking for skilled OpenShift professionals to help them leverage the full potential of their cloud infrastructure. From automating deployments to managing containerized applications, OpenShift skills are in high demand. This means great job prospects and competitive salaries for those who invest in learning this technology. Personally, I've seen my career take off since I started working with OpenShift. The community is vibrant, the tools are cutting edge, and the opportunities for innovation are endless. If you're passionate about cloud computing, there's no better time to dive into OpenShift. There are plenty of resources available to get you started. From online courses to community forums, learning OpenShift has never been more accessible. And trust me, the investment is worth it. So, if you're looking to future-proof your career and stay ahead in the tech industry, OpenShift is the way to go. Embrace the future of cloud computing and unlock endless opportunities.